I was considering to get one of these telescopes, a SkyWatcher, Newtonian telescope, 6-inch, 150 milliliter, focal point 750 millimeter. And I was wondering if the focuser of this can take the 2-inch barrels, eyepieces. And I found that yes, it can. This will be screwed to the top of the eyepiece mount, and as it is done, it is now ready to take the 2-inch eyepiece. And to prove that, here you are. This is a ruler, 2 inches. Exactly, it can take a 2-inch eyepiece. Now, if I have a 1.14 eyepiece, I can add this adapter, which will screw to here, and then I can put my eyepiece holder for 1.14 inch here. The interesting thing is that you don't find 2-inch eyepiece holders in many telescopes. You have to buy them separate, or you have to modify your telescope, actually drilling a hole here and just installing it. SkyWatcher, being a Chinese in the 21st century telescope market, they have actually solved this problem. They give you the option for 2-inch, then you can modify it to 1-inch with the standard equipment they provide you. It's not something that you buy additional. This comes with your telescope, and I think it's worth every penny of it. And when you have 2-inch eyepieces, you can get a really good eye relief. The image will be big. If you wear glasses, it's much easier to look at it. Of course, the true field of view, the amount of the sky you will see also will be much more. The amount of the light you receive to your eyes is always increased because your eyepieces are bigger. And at the same time, it's more professional. You can use a lot of good quality eyepieces. Look for it, you will find it. And you can adjust this for 2-inch to use it immediately on this telescope. Wonderful telescope. Thumbs up for the SkyWatcher, China. The world is a richer place with China. This is the eyepiece Max Vision, and 68-34 millimeter wide angle, ultra wide angle, and as you can see, I've removed the